Hi, my friends. Welcome to another episode of Vern, the Jack of all trades and master of none. And in today's episode, we're dealing with the dryer vent. So I was just working on this and I said, let me get you all caught in on this. Is a way to blow out your line, your dryer vent hose line. And it works out pretty good. So I took the blower for the yard, stuck it inside the hose, pulled out the line from the back side of the dryer, the vent line, stuck the blower into the line, put the clip on to hold it there because, you know, you get a good blast of power from this blower motor. And then on the outside, obviously we got a whole bunch of dust coming out and buildup. So although a lot of it already blew away, there's still a lot in the vent outside, and I want to show you what came out on the other end. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on again. Okay, and I'm going to turn it up high speed, and then we'll go outside. The stuff already went flying. Now let me open up and let me show you what's in there. Let's see this. The issue with this is this can cause a fire as well. That's even more reason why you want to Have you seen all of this? I know. I thought I had no idea I had all of this shit, all of this stuff in there. I may actually have to go up. Sorry, I may have to go up and unscrew the cap. I wasn't expecting this much. Okay, my friends, I'm up on the ladder. Now we're going to take this out. And you're going to see, you're going to get a better look at what came out of here. And remember, some of this stuff blew away. I wasn't even out here when it started pouring out. Look at that crud. Look at that. I was in for a fire for sure. Okay, guys. I can't tape. I can't record and oh, maybe I can. Look at all of that crud. Unbelievable. Guys, please take a minute. Try not to do it on a windy day. Oh, it's getting in my face. But seriously, take a minute. Go inside your vent. Get this stuff out of there. Okay, so what I'm going to do as a backup, I'm going to run it again from the inside. Now that I got everything off. It's getting in my face. And just get a, yeah, bring along your safety goggles. Okay. Turn it on. Take a look. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. Okay, let's dispose of that. I'm gonna run it, and then after I run it, then I'll go ahead and put the cover back on. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.